everyone. Welcome. I'm Delroy Morgan, and I'm with Zinc for Success Strategic Management and Planning, Z4S for short. I want to introduce you to the Finance for Business Owner course that we'll be offering and give you an overview of what that course includes. I have been involved with finance, business strategy, and engineering for over 25 years. I've also taught finance and accounting at the bachelor's and master's level. And as such, I was thinking through what is it that I would offer for the new manager or the business owner, existing business owner, that would be important in a overall finance course. And so I developed the main purpose of the workshop as how to use accounting concept was the first item, how to use accounting concept to keep profits in your business. Everyone wants to know how profitable should my business be. And so that's one of the topics areas that we'll be covering. We'll also help you understand why a focus on the customer is so important and helps to make sure your business stay on track. How the financial statements could be understood. So it's very important to have a basic understanding of the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, from the standpoint of knowing what your business is doing. And so we'll also be covering how you can set up a process for improving business results. It's good to have a way to track and monitor your business performance to give you a sense of how well you're doing. And then understanding how the each transaction affect your balance sheet as you go through. So additionally, we'll be covering how to manage business transactions, including cash. And as we work our way through the course, the use of break-even concept is one very important way of determining your price, determining how profitable you are. You see, once you have covered your fixed costs, then you start to make profit. And it's important that you cover that fixed cost because some people look at revenue and they figure they're doing good just because they're generating revenue. But you have to cover your fixed costs. And that's where the break-even helps you. Interest rates, what interest rate to use in terms of making business decisions. If you're borrowing or you're buying a business, what's the appropriate interest rates you should be looking at, and what's the impact of the interest rate. And then evaluating the best return on your investment. If you have two alternatives that you're looking at, two or three alternatives, you must now determine which is the best alternative to accept. And we'll show you how you could make that type of evaluation. And finally, how to manage credit, control accounts receivables, and secure cash. So in managing accounts receivables, you want to make sure your collection process for receivables is very stringent in terms of staying within the 30 to 60-day window and not extended beyond that, unless you, of course, you're managing some government contract that says they'll pay you in 90 days. But typically, if you're dealing with the average customers, you want to make sure you turn around that accounts receivables very quickly, because otherwise, even though you're generating revenue, you want to make sure you have enough cash flow to manage the business. So these are all the topics we'll be covering in that finance course for business owners. And as such, I'm looking forward to sharing that course with you, teaching that course, and I know you will enjoy it. So I'm suggesting that you register at zingforsuccess.com. I've also provided you the detailed link that takes you right to the registration page. Look forward to seeing you, so please ensure that you register for the course and register early.